Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Harris Sunliner 230 with the all-new Halo Bimini top on it. All right, so first thing everyone always notices with this color combination, it's just a really good looking boat. I love the striped floor with the dune colored interior. So the Halo top is new this year. I'm a fan of it. A lot of people in our market here in North Texas, they like the look of a water sports tower, but they're never going to pull anything off the top anyway, so they just want to get the looks. So you can do this, which is powered, so you can press the button and lower it down to here to keep it on a lift or to get it in your garage, or press the button and it all comes up. And the Halo arch is roughly $10,000 less expensive than the full-blown tower is. So if you're not going to pull anything off the tower anyway, really, really good option. This one's also ordered with the upgraded JL audio. So subwoofer, amplifier, JL speakers throughout, as well as on the very transom with a transom remote control. LED lighting in the seat bases and in the cup holders. Also has the flip-up table, which I'm a big fan of. Boat is also going to come with a table. We just don't install them until somebody tells us where they actually want it. 9-inch Simrad in the dash. Digital throttle attached to your Mercury 225 horsepower, which is a power hydraulic assisted V6, which I like. L-bench in the back with flip-flop. So you can flip your seat like this if you're pulling kids on the tubes on the skis, or you can also put it down flat to make a to make a full sun pad back here. Back on the transom, wrap around seating all the way around the outside. 225 horsepower. The flip over swim seat, which is one of the most popular options in this market, and the all new lily pad ladder, which is a extra wide ladder, extra wide rungs with a strap, so super easy to deploy and to pull up. So if you got any questions about this or any other pontoon boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.